So how do I open the comments in Google Classroom?
I will show you. I will go through the entire classroom right now. Are you able to see my screen, Shreyan?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, firstly, a virtual tour of the classroom. I will go to your class. Your class, all my classrooms are scheduled here. I will go to your class, class 7 CBSE Science. As soon as I enter the class, you have 4 sections: stream, classwork, people, marks. This stream section is common for both of us. Now here what we have posted from beginning, we have posted the notes, we have posted assignments, we have posted your test schedule, and whenever I am posting any exam, it is posted here.
Okay.
Also, there is a unique class code for class 7 CBSE Science with which other students can also log in. All the
Okay.
teachers and students are notified under people. Here, Zeal Classes is the teacher and Shreyan is the student. When other students
Okay.
add, they will get added in the following manner. Now comes the most interesting section, classwork, which is common to both of us. There are exams, all the assignments noted here. We will first see language of chemistry whose due date is past, 8th June 2020. Once I open it, I see 3 options. Whenever the teacher has posted but you have not answered, it lies in assigned. Whenever you have returned, the teacher has not checked, it lies in handed in. Whenever you have returned, the teacher has checked, it lies in marked. As soon as I
Okay.
open in marked, the one that you had sent me opens up. I click on it and there is a separate window that opens. Here your answer sheet is there. Now the teacher has checked and marked. This is a new way of checking. There is a proper comment box. There is a mistake here. What mistake is here? We cannot change the equation. You have
Okay.
tried to change the equation. What mistake is here? There is a spelling mistake, potassium. What mistake is here? On all the 5 questions, more explanation is required. In this blank space, the 4 different sections are marked: 4 for section A, 5 for section B, 6.5 for this section, and 4 for this section. So your total marks is 19.5. The teacher
Okay,
has
sir.
also assigned a comment to you, try harder, and marked 19.5. So whenever we close this section and go back here, and we go back, now this section, marked section, is only accessible to the teacher. I go there and I can see out of 20, one exam is pending, you have not given. Out of 25, one exam, you have 19.5 marks. Right? Properly
Yes, sir.
explained? I go back to classwork because here I can see that obtaining and utilizing food, I have not taken the exam. So when I go to classwork, I close this, I see that there is one exam that is assigned to you, but you haven't yet given it. The question paper is assigned. As I click on it, the question paper opens up. Everything clear, Shreya? No issues
Yes,
at all?
sir.
Okay.
Sir,
From next time also, we are going to use Google Meet. So the link will already be posted here. Yes, Shreya. Now your question?
so how do I access the comments box?
Once you go to classwork and you go where the teacher has marked, you click on marked. You go inside, and as soon as you open from your browser, maybe in app sometime it gives problems, directly when
Yes.
you open that, you see automatically the comments come. Can you see the comments now?
Yes, sir.
And as correction, you can click on resolve. Okay, that you have
Okay.
checked it and you can resolve this. Okay, Shreyan, no issues?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
Great. So I'll shut the recording now.